Whether you're the type of person who loves taking it slow in the morning and doing your long morning routine, or the type of person who rolls out of bed at the very last minute and rushes out the door, this is going to be something that you will want to make part of your daily morning routine when you see how powerful it is. It only takes just a few seconds, but you will notice the difference right away, and I am so excited for you to try this out. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. My whole channel is all about manifesting, the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And really quickly, before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button below. It lets me know that you're watching this video and trying it out and getting value from the videos here that I make on my channel. So once you do that, let me quickly show you exactly what you're going to do. So I've talked about this before in a few of my other videos, but there is actually a part of your brain called the reticular activating system. And this portion of your brain acts as a filter to give you evidence of whatever it is that you're feeding it. So this is the part of the brain that pulls your focus towards things that have been on your mind. It's like those times where you decide that you're gonna get a new car, and then all of a sudden you're seeing that exact car that you plan to get all over the place. Or how when someone brings up a very specific song or a very specific place, you start hearing that song or seeing that place everywhere. And even in those moments where you're in a really crowded room talking with someone, your reticular activating system is responsible for you being able to focus on that specific conversation you're having, even though there's hundreds of other conversations and noises going on all around you. So to put it simply, it tunes out the distractions, allowing you to hone in on whatever your focus is. And this reticular activating system is truly groundbreaking when it comes to manifestation. Because whatever you feed to your reticular activating system, it is going to go to work and give you evidence of that exact thing. You are already feeding your reticular activating system all the time, but notice the patterns in your life that you continue to experience. And see what it means about what your dominant thoughts have been. Maybe your constant dominant thought is, I'm too broke, or I don't have enough money. Those are really common. But then your reticular activating system will then begin to show you evidence of that exact situation. It's gonna confirm exactly what you're thinking as your dominant thought. It's gonna go, yep, look at your bank account, it's empty, or yeah, you're right, here's more situations to confirm exactly what you think. Do you see how powerful this really small portion of your brain is? This is why mindset is so important when it comes to manifestation. Now, let's get into the exercise of what you're going to write each morning, because this is going to prime your reticular activating system to receive and get evidence of what you want. So here is exactly what you're going to write down. You can keep a piece of paper or a journal or even a Post-it next to your bed with a pen or a pencil so that it's right there right when you wake up. And this is what you're going to write. Blank today. Not the word blank. You're going to insert what it is that you want to see evidence of today. So in that blank space, you're gonna choose what you wanna call in that day. And you can change this every single day. See, I told you, it's really simple and fast, but it works. So some examples could be something like massive abundance today, good news today, a romantic connection today, lucky moments today, winning today, success today. And you can even add on a variation, this is something I like to do here and there, of something that you want more of. So for example, more abundance today, more magic today, more comfort today, more happiness today. And these are all just examples. Choose what you want your reticular activating system to pull your focus towards to give you evidence of. And I truly find that this works best if you leave it sort of general and not overly specific, because it actually opens up the doors for even more magic and something potentially even better than what you would have specifically asked for. For example, you don't want to write, win lotto of $5.1 million today. That is way too specific, and your reticular activating system is going to have a really difficult time processing that and giving you evidence of such a finite thing. Instead, a better choice would be something like exciting abundance news today, or winning today even works, or even miracles today. You want to leave some room for magic. You want to give something simple to put your reticular activating system to work to give you evidence of. So in the morning when you're writing blank today or more blank today, you are giving your reticular activating system a job to handle for you. It's in turn going to keep pulling evidence and showing you in the form of situations, places, conversations, and experiences. It's going to start shifting your reality around you to give you evidence of whatever you fed it. And it's really magical, but it truly is just your brain at work. Oftentimes, it's so easy to jump into your day without intentionally choosing a focus of what it is that you want. And in turn, you can let the day sort of overtake you and just play victim to all the ups and downs and circumstances and situations thrown your way. Or you can intentionally decide what you want your focus to be, and that's what you can experience throughout your day. It really is your choice. Do you want to let the day overtake you, or do you want to choose what you're going to focus on and experience that day? You truly are far more powerful than you think you are, and everything starts from your mindset. So take this quick moment each morning and choose a focus and write it down. It takes just a few seconds. Blank today or more blank today. And like I said, you can use the same one for days on end, or you can change it up every other day or change it up every day. It's all just a personal preference. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok at MKMagicMindset. And if you want to learn more information about me, my programs, how to work with me, my meditations, and so much more, you can visit my website, mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.